Hello everyone, welcome to Code Gates. So I'm back with the new video. In my previous video of package, I have discussed about the access modifier in Java. So in this video, I'm going to show you the example of these modifiers, how it works. So here you can see that I have created one package. The name of the package is P1. I have already posted one video in which I have told you how to create a package. So you can refer that video, that how can we create a package in IntelliJ IDE. So here I have created package P1, and inside this package P1 I have declared one class protection which is public. And inside this class I have declared four variables: n underscore pri, n underscore pro, and underscore pub, where n is having access default access modifier. Means we are not writing any keyword in front of int. That means when we are not specifying any access modifier, then it is by default, or you can call it no modifier. And one more is private, one is protected, and another is public. So I'm trying to access all these four variables in the same class inside the constructor of this protection class. So you can see that when I am accessing, when I am just printing the value of n underscore pri, pro, and pub, then it is not showing any error. That means the number one point is clear, that we can access all the variables, whether they are private, protected, or public, or default, in the same class. So the first condition was that we can access all accessibility of public, private, protected, and default variables are within the same class. So we can access them within the same class. Now another point, if we want to access them in the same package and different subclass, means package will be P1, and we try to access those four variables in where we want to access in the subclass. So let me create inside this only package, because we are talking about the same package. So we will create one more class inside this package P1 only. So I am creating, and let's say the name of the class is derived, because we are talking about the subclass now. So derived. So here public class derived. Now derived class is accessing, is extending which class? Protection. Okay. Now inside this again I will create one constructor protection, sorry, derived, and I will try to access all the four variables which I have declared in protection class. Because here you can see that derived is a subclass of protection and it is in the same package. So we are testing about the second accessibility. What is it accessibility? Same package, subclass. Means the package will be same. So you can see that package is P1 in both the cases. And we are trying to access the variables of which are declared in protection class in the derived class. So let me just copy these statements from there. Control C, and I will just paste them over here. Now you can see we can access n. We can access n underscore pro. We can access n underscore pub, but we are not able to access n underscore pri. You can see n underscore pri has private access in p1.protection. So I have told you this thing, that private variables can only be accessed in the same class in which they are declared. Even we cannot access them with the outside that particular class, whether the same package or not. But you can see I have told you that we can access, but default verifier, protected, and public can be accessed in the same package subclass. So now this point is clear to everyone. Now we will think about same package, different class. What we have done till now, we have declared one class protection, which is public, and we have declared four variables in this protection class. We are able to access all these public, private, default, and protected inside the protection class. But when we try to access these four variables inside the derived class of protections, then we are not able to access the private variable. So you can write it private variable. Private variable can't be accessed in same package subclass. Okay, but we can access default, protected, and public. Now we will again, so that's why it is showing some error, because PRI is not able to access. Then leave it, we are not just compiling this code right now. Now I'm going to add one more class over here, that is, name of the class is same package. So I'm just creating one class. So same package, same class, same package, another class. Means package will be same, but the class will be different. It is not the subclass, it is the different class. That means the package P1 contains how many classes? Protection, derived, and same package. Protection is the public class, and derived is the subclass of the protection, and same package is also at another class. It is a normal class, it is not a subclass, it is not extending any other class. So again, we will declare some constructor inside this, and again I will just copy these four variables. I'll try to access these variables in here. Okay, but if we want to access, because the same package class is not extending protection class. So if we try to access some class variables into another class, then in that case we have to create the object of previous class. Like here, where the variables are declared in protection class. So here I have to create the object of protection class so that I can access those variables. So protection P1 equal to new protection. Okay. So now if I want to access n, then I will use the object P1 dot n, I will write. Okay. If I want to access PRI variable, what should I write over here? P1 dot n underscore PRI. Now for pro also, P1 dot, because it is not a subclass of protection now, so we have to create the object of protection class over here if we want to access the variables of protection class. P1 dot pub. So here you can also see that there is no error in n underscore pro and underscore pub. Only the error is showing in PRI. So again, this point is also clear that we cannot access private variable in same package another class. Means we can only access the private variable within that particular class where it is declared. So private will not be accessed in same package another class. So I hope this example is clear to everyone. So what I did, let me brief you. I have just created one package P1. If you have doubt, I will tell you how to create a package. So inside this CLC folder, right click on this, click on the package option. Okay. So we have created one package P1. Inside this package P1, I have declared one class protection, which is public. Inside this, I have declared four variables, n underscore PRI, n underscore pro, n underscore pub. Okay, n is default, n underscore PRI is private, n underscore pro is protected, and n underscore pub is public. So I am able to access all these variables in this same class. It is clear to everyone. Now I have declared one more class derived, which is the subclass of protection. That means inheritance is implemented over here. So whenever one class try to inherit some others class feature, then we have to use the extends keyword in Java. So derived class is extending the feature of protection class. Now, when I'm trying to access these four variables, which are defined in protection class, inside the derived class, then except the private variable, all other three types of variable are accessible. Okay. Now, again, I have created one more class, same package. Package is same in all these use cases because we are discussing over the concept of the same package. Means same package, same class, same package, subclass, same package, another class. Okay. So this is a simple class. This is not a subclass of any other class. It is not extending any other class. So we have just declared a same package class. Inside this, I have declared the constructor same package, and I have created object of protection class, because if the class is not extending another class, then if we want to access those particular class objects, methods and variables, then we have to create object of that class. So here I want to access the variables of protection class. So I have created object of protection. So class name, P1 is the name of the object, new is the operator, and then again protection. Okay. So when I try to access these variables with the help of the object P1, then again, except private, I can access all these three variables. So I hope this point is clear to everyone, that private variable will only be accessed within the same class, else it is not accessible anywhere, whether it is the same package subclass or same package normal class. And default public and private can be accessed inside the same class, same package subclass, and same package non-subclass. Okay. So I hope this video is clear to everyone. In my next video, I will tell you the accessibility of the access modifier in the different package. So for that, I'll create another video. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all the videos. Thank you.